Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to remove suggested content and tips in the Windows 10 Settings app. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Settings app and eliminate unnecessary suggestions. Let's get started. First, press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, open the Settings app. You can find the Settings app in the Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Once you've opened the Settings app, navigate to the Privacy section. To do this, click on Privacy, and it will take you to the General settings by default. Within the Privacy menu, you'll find various privacy settings. Look for and click on General on the left-hand side of the screen. Now on the right-hand side, locate the option that says Show me suggested content in the Settings page. To remove suggested content and tips, simply toggle the switch under this option to the Off position. This will disable the display of suggested content in the Settings app. By turning off this option, you can declutter your Settings app and focus on the settings that matter to you. And just like that, you've successfully removed suggested content and tips in the Windows 10 Settings app. It's as easy as following these simple steps. Remember, by customizing your Settings app, you can have a more streamlined and personalized experience. If you ever want to enable suggested content and tips again, simply toggle the switch back on. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to remove suggested content and tips in the Windows 10 Settings app. We hope you found this information helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.